Okay, so we're in Mid-Journey. We're going to do /imagine. We're going to say find our texture floral background with hues of pale blush, purples, and pinks. I like to do aspect ratio 16:9. Whoops, nope, I didn't put a colon. Let's try that again. I like to do aspect ratio 16:9, but you can really do whatever you want. You can not put a ratio in, it'll be a square, but you can really do it any way you want. The more descriptive you are, the more the AI is going to respond. So if we say, imagine fine art, grungy, floral texture with light to one side, dark rosy colors and big flowers all around AR. So it's going to give you examples, right? So it gave me the first 4 up there. I then decide, do I want the first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one? That's the first row. Or do I want the AI to generate it again? While it's generated again, I can go, well, I like 1, but I think I want a variation of 1. So I'm going to click V1, and the AI is going to go back and based on the first one, give me a new selection to choose from, okay? So anyone that does this, we've learned to kind of cycle again. So see how it gave me 4 new colors? I'm like, ooh, I really like these. I really like these. I love all these. So now I can say, okay, these are really good. I think I like these dark tones a lot. So this is the third one. I'm going to pick the third one, but since I really like this, I'm going to also ask for a variation of this, okay? Now, sometimes I get super excited and I'll do these prompts like over and over, and the AI will say, slow down, give me a minute. So then I'm going to come down. So you see it gave me my images. I can choose to upscale it here, or I do use Topaz Photo AI, and I can batch upscale in Topaz Photo AI. But I really like this image a lot. Then you're also going to see that these are the other variations that it gave me, and I'm like, oh wow, I like number 2 a lot. So I'm going to upscale number 2 as well, okay? So now we're going to go back and we're going to take this image that I have and we're going to save it. And, oh, that's not the upscaled version. Let's take the upscaled version. It's in the middle of upscaling. Upscaling is just going to make it high res. So let's take this, we're going to save it, and we'll just for now save it to the downloads. You don't want to do that. You want to create an AI folder because you'll end up with 1,000 images. Now we're going to go back over to Photoshop. Here's my image. I love LSP Actions because she makes it super easy. So I'm here in the Overlay Applicator Action Pack. I'm going to come down here to the one that says Normal Midtone Background. I'm going to click LSP Apply Texture Floral Overlay Photoshop. Click that and hit play. It's going to say, give me your image, right? I'll go to my downloads and let me find that image that I just put in there. I'm going to grab that image and hit place. Once I do that, I can rotate it. Oh, I didn't do the high res. See, there's a perfect example. See how it looks low res? Because I didn't pick the upscaled one. So let's do this again. We're going to go back and let's go get the upscaled version. So here we go. This is the upscaled version. So let's go get that one. Because otherwise you're going to be working in low res. We don't want that. Okay, so now if we look at the upscale version, again, I like to use Topaz Photo AI, but now it's 11 meg instead of a 2 meg file. Okay, so we come back to Photoshop. We're going to come back here. We're going to start this action again. Apply texture floral overlay. Hit play. Let's pull our high res image. And now you're going to see that it doesn't look pixelated. We'll give it a minute. Where is it? Oh, it's probably just giving me, I probably have too many layers in here. Let's do this one more time. All right, so here we go. Play, find our file. Now we're going to scale it and double click it. You could also rotate it and see how it's in there. Now you could also play around with your blending modes if you want. I have it set to soft light. But you could change it to hard light, vivid light. So you can change your blending modes. I found that soft light looks the prettiest. Okay? But again, you can turn it on, you can turn it off. Now, you can also rotate it. So like if I went in here and I did this again, and I do window, actions, same thing, hit play. I'm going to take that image, and let's say I go, oh, I want to rotate this. I can do edit, transform, and I can rotate the whole image, okay? Then I can scale it, so I can go, okay, I want it more like this. Once you're done, you're going to double click, and it's going to pop it in there. And that's it. Once you're satisfied, I flatten it. Keep in mind that you want to pay attention to light direction and all of that. I like to come into Maternity Retouch. Lauren has a nice vignette overlay. Hit play. And then it's a little dark. So I can come in here. I can turn the opacity down, because that's what I love about Lauren's things, is everything is layered and you can turn the opacity down. And see how gorgeous that is? And it really doesn't take that much time. It takes you longer to think about what you want to do. But it really doesn't take that much time to do it once you have an image.